Okay, I want to do one more solving one here of the square roots, especially because these ones you got to check to make sure they're right. So here's one more root one, and you can either use Desmos or solve it with algebra steps. Okay, and so what this would look like if you were to solve it with algebra steps is you'd square both sides to wipe out the root, but then on the right hand side you'd have to FOIL, because if you want to square that little parentheses you got to FOIL. So it cleans up nice on the left, but on this side you got to FOIL. So we'd have x squared minus 4x, and then another minus 4x, and then a minus 4x more minus 4x is 16. And then combine your like terms in the middle to get minus 8x. And then get 0 on one side because it's a quadratic, so minus x minus 2. And you end up with 0 equals x squared minus 9x plus 14. And this one is nice because at least it factors. So you could certainly graph that on Desmos, but it actually factors to x minus 7, x minus 2, which set them to 0 and you get answers of 7 and 2. Okay, then the tricky part is you do have to check, right? Again, these to make sure that they're right, you got to do the check step. So let's check them individually. If we check 7, we'd have square root of 7 plus 2, and does that equal 7 minus 4? We end up with square root of 9 equaling 3, so this one checks out, okay? Now try the 2, so we have square root of, sorry for that stupid part, square root of 2 plus 2, and does that equal 2 minus 4? Sorry, yeah, 2 minus 4, so you get square root of 4, and that does not equal negative 2. So this one, again, is called an extraneous solution. So basically, the only one that is actually an answer is the 7. So we end up with just x7 as our answer. Okay, and again, like in Desmos, if you wanted to try the Desmos route of this, you just have to get the 0 on one side. So I'm going to do it like over here real quick. I'm going to rewrite it. And you just have to like minus the x and add the 4 to get it to 0. So you'd have square root of x plus 2 minus x plus 4 equals 0. And then type that into Desmos and see what it looks like. So let's take a look here quick and see what we get. Okay, so again, here's your square root key. But if you graph it, again, I didn't put the equal 0 part in. But if you graph it, you click, and you get actually the only real answer. Because remember, we had an extraneous answer at 2 or whatever. So here you just get the one answer of 7, which is kind of nice, actually. So the answer there is just x7, and you don't have to worry about the extraneous one. Okay, so the graph method's probably a little bit easier than all those algebra steps, but just thought I'd show you both ways. Okay, thanks for watching.